What up, YouTube? This is Marcel. Y'all watching Marcel TV, man. In today's video, we got something exotic, you know what I'm saying? I got a Rolls Royce Ghost. It's on 26-inch Forgiatos, you know what I'm saying? We're going to check that out, man. But make sure y'all subscribe to the channel, man, you know what I'm saying? We definitely still growing. We trying to go up. So y'all make sure y'all subscribe to the channel, man. Hit a like for me. Hit that notification bell so you do not miss a video. Also, too, I went to a car show, man. And I got crazy footage from the car show, so I'm gonna be dropping all the footage for y'all, and y'all see the footage, you know what I'm saying? And also, we took home a couple awards. Let me show y'all. Here we go. Best modern muscle car. Shout out to Neighborhood Superstar, my man Russ. And then this is another one we took home. We took home 2 trophies for Stacy. Those of you who don't know what Stacy is, my Mustang, 2011 Mustang on 24-inch Forgies. But yeah, y'all, took home the trophies, you know what I'm saying? Had a good time. But we're gonna get into this video. Y'all make sure y'all get in them comments too, man. Let me know what y'all think about this Rolls Royce.
Marcel TV, baby.
All right, y'all, that was it for the video today. Make sure y'all get in the comments and y'all let me know what y'all think about the Rolls Royce. Make sure y'all let me know what y'all think about the wheels, you know what I'm saying? Make sure y'all subscribe to the channel, man. Hit a like, man, you know what I'm saying? Share this video. Y'all can follow me on Instagram, Marcel_TV. Facebook Marcel TV. Y'all see, I told y'all we got the Marcel TV merch, man. We got new shirts. This is like one of the old hoodies, but we're gonna have new hoodies and all that coming soon. But the merch is for sale, man. So y'all can, get in the comments, or you could DM me on Instagram if you want a shirt. The shirts are $20 a piece. You know what I'm saying? We'll ship them out to you or whatever. But I'm gonna holler at y'all on the next video.